Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share my thoughts on the Garvee washable rug. This 9x12 Moroccan style area rug is perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, dining areas, you name it. Let's dive into why this has quickly become one of my favorite home finds. First off, the material. It's machine woven with soft faux wool fibers, and honestly it feels amazing underfoot. It's super cozy and it really adds this calm, stress-relieving vibe to the room. Whether you're lounging with family or just kicking back after a long day, it just feels so comforting. Another thing I love is the non-slip TPR backing. I have this in a high-traffic living room area and it does not budge. It's perfect for entryways, hallways, even if you have kids or pets running around, you don't have to worry about slipping. And for anyone worried about keeping it clean, it's machine washable. You just toss it on a delicate cycle with cold water and it dries super fast. Plus, it's wrinkle resistant so it still looks fresh after washing. Huge win if you got a busy household. Style-wise, it features this gorgeous Moroccan boho vibe. It's super versatile. It can pull together a bohemian vibe or even modern decor. I personally love how it brings a cozy yet timeless elegance to my space. It's especially great for living rooms where you want that perfect blend of style and comfort. Plus, it's stain resistant and non-shedding. I've had a few spills already and they wiped right off. No fuss everywhere, no clumps of fiber. It's great if you have pets, kids, or you just don't want to worry about messes. Overall, if you're looking for a beautiful, practical, and easy to maintain rug for your home, the Garvee washable rug is seriously worth checking out. I'll link it down below if you want to take a closer look. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.